Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Sticky's Adventure, and today is kind of a specific day for me. I've never done this before. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to replace the stock horn on my Africa Twin, which is this guy here. So we'll replace this horn, which is here, see, right there. We'll replace it with a louder one. That's all done for the sake of my safety on the road, because people here are really nuts, and around the world they don't hear stock horns. I'll play that one in a second so you can hear how weak it is. Most of you guys that are bikers know that regularly or usually stock horns are really bad. They are very weak, and then a lot of us, myself included, retrofit aftermarket horns, be them Denali, I don't know, Denali, I can't remember now the brand, I mean the name, sorry, Denali is the brand. Or I chose the Fiamm, so I'll show you this one. This is the Fiamm I chose, this guy, and it will hopefully have a much stronger noise and louder noise than the stock horn that I have on my bike. Basically now it's a bit of a mess. It's winter time. It's January 20-ish something, 26-ish I think. Today, 2023, so it's still cold in Serbia and Belgrade. But anyway, so again, this is the man cave, my Africa Twin, my two bicycles. This is my best man's Scarabeo scooter, and that's my Italian Vespa. Anyways, I'm gonna try now and put all the tools necessary for replacing the horn, and I'll do a step-by-step installation. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in a sec, okay? What tools I need. So I need two sockets. One is a 10-inch, number 10, so a 10, and a 12, which is this guy, 12. And obviously I have here in the horn set, the new horn set, I have this bracket, mounting bracket there, the horn itself, a ratchet, and I always have a box for OEM parts. I can keep them in the future. If I need them, I can always put them back. And the horn, as I said to you, is here. So we'll be replacing, well, taking off that bracket there, which is right here, that bracket, and taking this off and putting the new horn there. So I'm going to reposition the camera now at a better place so you can see. And you see, I didn't see this. This is my repairman DIY stool or chair I can be working from, or workbench. So see you in a sec. So first things first, we're gonna start the bike and see and actually hear how the stock horn sounds like, and then I'm going to change or replace it with a Fiamm horn and see how that one sounds and what difference it makes. So let me start the bike now. You'll see that really interesting dashboard coming up, see? Woohoo. Okay. Saying Africa Twin, the one that everybody complains about taking a long time. It is. That does take a long time to start up, but it's okay. I got used to it. So there we go. So this will be the stock horn. Indoors is not bad, but outdoors, weak. Okay? Now we're gonna go and do the replacement. See ya. Now, we've tried how the stock thing comes in. What I did first, I took off these leads here. You can't see them all. You cannot see them, they're there. So I took the electrical lead out from here. Now I'm gonna take this bracket here, which is here, with the number 12. Key, and let's see how that works. So we're going the other way, like this. So lefty loosey, righty tighty, yeah, see? So lefty, this is righty, this is lefty, yep. So, there we go. My head. go. Slowly but surely. So I can do it with my fingers now. My fingers, I think. Yep. There we go. There we go. Slowly but surely. Get in there. There we go. So that's taken off. See, this is taken off. So I'm keeping, obviously I'll take this. I might even actually use the bracket, so I'm gonna see, okay? I'm gonna take off this one with the number 10, okay? Bear with me for a second, you'll see that in a sec. Okay, so we'll change this guy. We're changing these two, see? Putting a smaller one on, okay? There we go. I think that is the right, yep. Look, see, oi, caramba. Beautiful. So now, get this guy off. And the trick now is gonna be, I'll put the old horn, I'll put it here for the moment, and put this back now. Get the new horn, and then, oh, there's two of them, okay. 2 plates, okay. So we put number 10 on here, like this. Finger tight. And then tighten a bit more. Yeah, now. So this part should go down so the water doesn't come in. Not like this, because that will just get the water in and it will corrode and screw it up. So I'll try to put it in here, like this, and see if it will fit, if and how it will fit. So let's see. Change this guy for the moment here. Okay. By hand, tighten. Whoops. Sorry. By hand, tighten this guy into the bracket. Wow. This is interesting. So this is too big. How come? Oh, maybe I did the wrong way around. Let's check it out. Yep, my bad. This is going down, this is going up. See? You should use your eyes sometimes, you know, for these things. And not rush like I did. So, let's see. So this guy is supposed to go so see this guy supposed to go like this. Yep, slowly but surely. Let's see. Going down these guys. Can I rotate? This ain't bad. This ain't bad. What I'm going to do is I have to move this a bit. Move myself actually a bit closer so I can see where am I at. So if I can. So these guys. Let's think. This is not bad, but now you won't see the light. Now I'm gonna try this, the steering wheel, if it's gonna turn properly. So bear with me for a second. So if this goes here, will it hit? Opa. Sorry. Now a bit of commotion, baby. Okay. Motion. So see, steering wheel goes here. Will it hit? No. That's good. If it goes that way, will it hit? Let's see. No, good. So from that standpoint, we're good. So now, what I need to do is, I cannot move these anymore, so okay. So, Now we're going to put the electricals. I'm actually going to go on the other side so you'll see it better. Hold up, wait a minute. Oh, you know what? I'll do something else. I'm going to tighten the smaller screw on the bottom. I'll tighten it more so the base is firm. This guy. Okay. No. Well, let's see. So, like this, and that should be fine. It couldn't be like this. Well, maybe yes, if I do it like this. Hold on. Let's play with this. Hold on a second. Let me see. So if I do it like this, no. So this won't work. It's gotta be a bit like this, which is like this, like this, a bit more, just a bit more, so a bit more. That should be fine. Yep. Yep. I think, well, you know what? I'm going to plug in the electrical stuff first, but I'm going to go on the other side. So bear with me for a second. Opa. Whoa. So on the other side, okay, so from the other side, I believe it's a bit easier. I put this on the floor so I don't get all hurting and stuff. So there we go. 1, 2, I think that's it. Yep, that's it. Now, this is what we need. See? So if I can do a little bit more like this. Yep. Actually, no. So this way. Yep. Okay. So let's try this way. So I'm going to try now this way. See? So put this in here. And then from here, use my ratchet, and do it that way. Okay. Let's see. Let's try that. We're going to try the horn and see, does it beep properly? Opa. There we go. Now, the moment of truth. Moment of truth, let's hear. Now this might be very loud, so I'm going to put the camera away so it doesn't kill my eardrums and stuff. Again, famous Honda Africa Twin boot up screen. It takes a lot of time. So let's see. We'll say yes or okay, and then try the horn. Whoa! This is pretty loud, okay? So that's about it. I'm going to tighten now. I'm going to tighten the screw down there, and this should be it. So give me 1 second. So what we're doing now, I'm basically going to, actually let me see. Let's see. me just try this. Try this. Nope. Oh, there we go. Hello. So now we're gonna tighten this screw and put the light on it. So you'll see. See it like this. Now, what we're doing is we're tightening this screw. This guy here. See? Right there. So we can put light on it, I think. See better? Yeah. Okay, I'll go and change my thingy from 10 to 12, and then we're done. Opa. Let's go. This to the other side. Okay, like this. Perfect. And tighten this guy up. So, to be exact, see, I tightened this guy up. Alright, so like that, and that should do it. A bit more, there we go. Slowly but surely it's there. Let's just check the position. It's good. There we go. So I'm pretty happy, and this should not interfere with the function of the horn. All right, I'm turning the lights off. Boop. There, tighten this up. That will conclude the operation now. I believe it's successful, and I'll see you in the next installment of installs. There's more things to come. I'm going to install with Vita a few really nice accessories to the bike for him and for myself. So see you soon. Thanks a lot for coming to my channel, Seeker's Adventure. See you soon. Ciao.